and welcome back to my channel. I am Andrea, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, please hit that subscribe button so that way you can see other videos like this one on how to get hired with Palfish or on anything ESL related. If you do not have a referring teacher for Palfish yet, please use my code. In return, I will give you some free props and I will help you along the way in your Palfish journey. So in this video, I'm going to go through exactly what I did for my demo lesson. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a like and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Name is Teacher Andrea. What is your name? My name is Sam. It is great to meet you, Sam. Welcome to my classroom. Sam, how old are you? 5. I am 5. Yes, very good, Sam. Are you ready? Let's go. Yes, Sam. Hello, monkey. Monkey. Circle. Circle the monkey. Circle. Yes, Sam. Very good. Let's go, Sam. Hello, monkey. Shelley and Paul visit a forest park to find monkeys. Let's act like a monkey. Story time! Let's see what happens in Paul and Shelley's journey. Let's go, Sam. Paul and Shelley want to find a monkey. They meet some other animals first. Let's see what they are. Do they find a monkey? Let's take a look at the next cartoon and find out. Is it a monkey? No. Dog. Dog. Shelley and Paul see a nose of a dog. What animal is it? Yes, Sam. Very good. Ooh, what animal do they meet? Let's take a picture of it. Can you click the dog? Click. Yes, good job, Sam. You get a star. Da, 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 da. Way to go. 1 star. Woo. Dog. What is this? dog. Yes, Sam. Very good. Can you click the dog's nose? Dog's nose? Can you sniff like a dog? Yes. Yes, Sam. Very good. You got it. Hello, dog. Which one is the dog? Can you click the dog, Sam? Yes! Good job! Is it a monkey? No! Cat! Cat! Circle the cat. Yes! Good job! Meow, meow! Shelly and Paul see the eyes of an animal. Eyes! What animal is it? It's a cat. Yes, very good, Sam. Ooh, what animal do they meet? Let's click to take a picture of it. You got it. Good job. Can you click the cat's eyes? Cat's eyes. Good job. Let's act. Can you close and open your eyes like the cat? Do it fast. Do it slow. Yes, Sam. Very good. Hello, cat. Can you find the cat? Let's click the cat. Hello, cat. Yes, very good. Is it a monkey? No. Fish. Can you circle the fish? Yes. What animal is it? Yes, Sam. It's a fish. Oh, what animal do they meet this time? Let's click to take a picture. Can you click? Perfect! Yay, Sam! You get another star. Da, 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 da. 3 stars. Yes. Can you click the fish's mouth? Mouth? Can you blow bubbles like the fish? Yes, Sam, that's great. What is this? Yes, it's a fish. High five. Good job. Very good. Hello, fish. Hello, fish. Yes, Sam. Is it a monkey? Yes! Finally, they find a monkey on the tree. Boop! A monkey. Yes. Can you circle the monkey? Good job, Sam. You got it. Oh, what animal do they meet at last? Let's take a picture of it. Oh, monkey. Yes, wonderful. Way to go. You get another star. Da, da, da. 4 stars. Yes. What is this? Good, Sam. It's a monkey. Let's say hello to the monkey. Hello, monkey. Yes. What is this? Yay! Yes, Sam. Hello, monkey. Can you find the monkey? Let's click. Yay! Very good. Let's review the story and clap the words. Paul and Shelley find a dog first. Dog, dog. Again, dog, dog. Yes. Then they find a cat. Cat, cat, cat. Yes. Then they find a fish. 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 Good. Finally, they find a monkey. 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 Yes, Sam. Very good. Song time. Let's listen and act with the song. Yes, good, Sam. Very good job. Oh, Nose. Nose. Good. Eyes. Eyes. Great. Can you point? Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Again. Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Yes, very good. Same song. Yes, good job, Sam. Ooh, now it's game time. Let's play some games and practice the words and structures. Oh, pop the bubbles. Can you find the nose? Pop, click. Nose. Yes, Sam, good. Can you pop the mouth? Yes. Can you pop the eyes? Yay! Good. Way to go. Ooh, now it's time to play a game. Can you find the dog? Yes. Can you find the cat? Yes. Good, Sam. Can you find the monkey? Yay! Can you find the fish? Yay! Ooh. What animal is this? Good. Can you find the eyes? Drag. Eyes. Good. Perfect, Sam. What is this? Can you find the mouth? Yes, way to go. Can you find the nose? Yes. What is this? Good job. Oh, what is this? Can you find the eyes? Yes, perfect, Sam. Way to go. Ooh. Let's see. What is this? Yes. Can you click the monkey? Yes. Oh, what is this? Yes, Sam. Can you click the cat? Good. What is this? Good. Yes. What is this? to go! Yay, Sam! Congratulations! Yoo-hoo! Yay! Can you click number 1? What's this? Good. Number 2. Meow. What is this? Yes. Number 3. What is this? Nose. Very good. What is this? Yes, Sam. Number 5. What is this? Yay, monkey! What is this? Yay, very good. Now it's drawing time. Let me draw something for you. What is it? Nose, very good. What is it? Mouth. What are they? Eyes. Yes, good, Sam. Look what you learned today. You did a great job. You learned nose, mouth, eyes. Yes. And yes. Good job, Sam. Yay! Very good. What is this? Yay! Look what you learned. You are so smart. Ooh, class is over. Aww. Teacher is sad. I had so much fun. Yes! Way to go, Sam. Let's count your stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars, Sam. Awesome job. High five. Great. Thank you for class, Sam. I will see you next time. Bye, Sam. Yay! I just wanted to let you know that at the beginning of the video, it didn't include my introduction that I did for Palfish. I did let them know what props I was using and what reward system I was using, and then I did show them my background. These are some requirements you have to do at the very beginning of your lesson. I just wanted to let you know what my feedback was, and I really hope you found this helpful.
So I hope you found that video helpful. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one and different ESL tips and tricks along the way. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!